Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beetroot juice. Actually, I'm going to make a beetroot smoothie. I'm going to be absorbing all the nutrients from this beetroot. So let me show you how I do this. Before I proceed, I want to do a shout out to Sweetie Love New York. I got this recipe from her. Also the beetroot rice. So here we go. So I have here one beetroot. This is what the inside looks like. I'm only going to be using like about half for this recipe and a small piece of carrot. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to peel it first and then cut it up into, not too small, just like into chunky pieces, because remember I'm going to put it in the blender. I have a piece of carrot here that I'll be using with this recipe. That's about half of a carrot. I'm going to peel it and cut it up into small pieces. So here's a piece of carrot that I peeled and I cut up into small pieces, right? And I also did the same thing with the piece of beetroot. I peeled off the skin and cut it up into like these kind of large pieces, because like I said before, I'm going to put it in the blender. Your hands may get a bit red while peeling the beetroot, so you may want to wear a pair of gloves, but you know, it doesn't take that long to wash off after a while. After 2-3 washes of your hands, that redness will come off. So I'm going to put these two ingredients into my blender. Now some of the blenders, they have like a liquefied option. You could use that, so maybe to extract all the juices from these two vegetables, right? So that's what I did. I'm going to add some water, maybe just to top up the two ingredients, enough water, and you could add a sweetener if you like, maybe honey or maybe brown sugar if you want. If you don't like the flavor of the juice without any sweetener, you may want to add maybe, like I said, honey, or I prefer brown sugar because I don't like honey. So I'm going to let this liquefy for a few minutes well to extract all the juices, as like I said before. After we have done that, you may want, at this point, you may want to, if you don't like to have that fiber taste in your mouth, you may want to strain the juice to get a juice instead of having like a smoothie sort of thing, right? The smoothie will have all the fiber and stuff, and the juice will have just the juice from the fruits, the vegetables, and not the fiber. I prefer to drink this with all the fiber and everything to get the nutrients. And before I go, just be warned, when your urine will have a little redness when you drink this liquid, so just look out for that and have no fear. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.